Today we're gonna put the lever arms on the throttle and spark advance rods. To put these on, you need to put the spring on, and put the arm on, and then put the pin in. Well, it's hard to do, so what we're going to do, we're going to take this is a piece of PVC pipe, 3-inch to 2-inch plug. We're going to cut it in half. Then we can take that, drill a hole in it to put this all thread in. Then we're going to clamp that onto the steering column, and we're going to line that up so that we're set with the all thread pointing right towards the rod here. So we're going to clamp that down nice and tight. Now we're going to put the spring on. And this little arm is held in the spring. So you put that on. Okay, then put a 7/16 deep socket on here. Put this arm on. Bring that socket up. Now we line that up, bring the socket up. Now when we turn this nut, you can see we're just going to push that arm right up on that shaft. And when we push that arm up on the shaft, let's see if I can get it a little tighter. Now we can just line that arm up and put our pin in so we don't have to fight trying to hold that arm in place while we put the pin in. So now you can see, you just bring that right up, line that up with the rod, and if the rod starts pushing out, you can hold it. But that 7/16 deep socket is going to slip right over that arm, right over the shaft, and so anyway, that's the idea. And now you're going to take the pin, and you got to line that hole up. You can just drop that pin right in there, and you don't need 6 people to put it together. Okay.